Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear friends, how are you? Today's third lecture and today's topic is Prime Minister of Pakistan. First Prime Minister of Pakistan, Khan Liaquat Ali Khan. His time period was 14 August 1947 to 16 October 1951. Second Prime Minister of Pakistan, Khwaja Nazmuddin. His time period was 17 October 1951 to 17 April 1953. Third was Mr. Muhammad Ali Bogra. His time period was 17 April 1953 to 12 August 1955. Fourth was Chaudhry Muhammad Ali. His time period was 12 August 1955 to 12 September 1956. Fifth was Mr. Hussain Shahid Sarwardi. His time period was 12 September 1956 to 17 October 1957. Sixth was Mr. I. Chandigarh. His time period was 18 October 1957 to 6 December 1957. Seventh was Malik Feroz Khan Noon. His time period was 16 December 1957 to 7 October 1958. Eighth was General Muhammad Ayub Khan. His time period was 26 October 1958 to 27 October 1958. And after this, no Prime Minister in the seat. The time that no Prime Minister was 28 October 1958 to 7 December 1971. And 9 number. First Nurul Amin and second seat was empty. Then this time period is 7 December 1971 to 20 December 1971. And when no Prime Minister, that time period was 20 December 1971 to 14 August 1973. And 10. Number 10. Mr. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. His time period was 14 August 1973 to 5 July 1977. And empty seat that 6 July 1977 to 22 March 1985. And 11. Mr. Muhammad Khan Junejo. His time period was 24 March 1985 to 29 May 1988. And when seat empty was 30 May 1988 to 1st December 1988. And number 12, Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto. His time period was 22 December 1988 to 6 August 1990. And 13 was Ghulam Mustafa Jatoi. His time period was 6 August 1990 to 6 November 1990. He was the caretaker. And number 14 was Mr. Muhammad Nawaz Sharif. His time period was 6 November 1990 and to 18 April 1993. Again, Mr. Muhammad Nawaz Sharif became as Prime Minister 26 May 1993 to 18 July 1993. And number 15, Mr. Bashir Mazari as caretaker. His time period was 18 April 1993 to 26 May 1993. Number 16, Mohyuddin Ahmed Qureshi. He was also working as a caretaker. His time period was 18 July 1993 to 19 October 1993. And 17 was Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto again. His time period was, he was at second time. His time period was 19 October 1993 to 5 November 1996. After this, Malik Miraj Khalid worked as caretaker. His time period was 5 November 1996 to 17 February 1997. And number 19, first Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif. Second time and his time period was 17 February 1997 to 12 October 1999, and no prime minister after this time, as the duration was 12 October 1990 to 22 November 2002. And number 20, Mr. Mir Zafarullah Khan Jamali. His time period was 21 November 2002 to 26 June 2004. And Chaudhry Shujat Hussain as a caretaker. His time period was 30 June 2004 to 20 August 2004. At number 22, Shaukat Aziz. His time period was 20 August 2004 to 16 November 2007. Muhammad Mia Sumru as a caretaker. His time period was 16 November 2007 to 25 March 2008. After this, Makhdum Sayyid Yusuf Raza Gilani. His time period was 25 March 2008 to 26 April 2012. After 25th number, Raja Parvez Ashraf. His time period was 22 June 2012 to 25 March 2013. After this, at 26th number, Mir Hazar Khan Khosrow as caretaker. His time period was 25 March 2013 to 5 June 2013. At 27, Mia Muhammad Nawaz Sharif as third time working as Prime Minister. His time period was 5th June 2013 to 28 July 2017. At last become Prime Minister of Pakistan is Shahid Khaqan Abbasi. His time period is 1st August 2017 to still date. My dear candidates, thanks for watching. Hope you gain knowledge. Kindly subscribe my channel. Inshallah it will be helpful to you in your life. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.